Hi, welcome to Progecad Malaysia. Today I'm going to introduce you one method to reference your drawings from another drawing into your current drawing. Looking at the desktop now, many people actually does this by inserting a lot of drawings into one particular drawing because they need to refer each and other just to set up certain details or certain drawings in their drawing. So they inserted many other drawings into one particular drawing, and it makes the file larger as well as a bit of confusion. If you look at this drawing, there are multiple drawings in one sheet of drawing. So meaning everything that you needed to reference is all into one single drawing, which makes the file bigger. One thing. The second, if one of this file or this particular file is corrupted, imagine you will lose many drawings in this file itself. And of course, the confusion is there. So which drawings is which now? You are referring to this drawing or this drawing. So which is which? Hence, today I'm going to introduce you in a way to organize this drawing using a command called external reference. So you just need to attach certain external drawings into that particular drawing which you need to reference. So I have actually break down one or two examples here. So let's look at one of the breakdown. So we go under detail 1 drawing. Basically, this is one of the drawing. In another way, what I'm trying to explain is to split every individual objects or drawings into individual file rather than having all the drawings into one single file. This is what's happening. We have an individual drawing with its own title block and then save it as, say for example, detail 1. And you notice that title blocks are usually quite standard. So in every drawings, you need a title block. And this title block, you do not need to repeat each time in every of your drawings. Like for example, now we break into multiple files of drawings. And say you want to change the title block, you have to open up every drawing to change the title block. So basically what I'm going to show you is we're going to standardize the title block. And we treat title block as one single drawing. Whereas detail 1 will be detail 1 drawing, title block will be another drawing by itself. I have actually break down or copy out the title block and then save it as title block drawing. So this is a standard title block. And now we're going to use external reference and attach the title block into this drawing. Currently, the title block is actually in layers and in individual entities, meaning that you are able to edit the properties here. But we don't need this now. We're going to attach the title block drawing into this drawing. Now we're going to erase the standard title block which is in this drawing. Save the file, and we're going to attach the external title block which we have created in this example. We go under Insert and then Xref DWG or DXF. We click on this and then click the attach button and then attach the file title block into this drawing. Another dialog box will pop up. Under reference type, you just put in as attachment, full path, and then specify the insertion point on the screen as well as the scale and rotation. Click OK. Type 0, 0, enter, enter, and enter. Cancel this. Now you will notice that the title block has been attached into this drawing. And when you click on the entity, it becomes an attachment as a block is by itself. Now say for example, under the title block, I change certain text. I maybe add some notes here. I copy this. I edit it to say something like Now you notice that I have typed something here. Please follow this drawing, for example. And then now I will save the title block drawing. We go back to detail 1. We click on Xref DWG again. Click reload the title block and click OK. You should see that the text has been updated in this drawing as well. Let's see another example. We go back to title block and we notice that this is not correct. We need to add another extra text over this text. Enter once you finish. I want this text to be moved a little bit on to the left. I'll type move. Somewhere around here. I zoom out and then I save the file. Now we go back to detail 1. We zoom in here. I will click the Xref DWG icon again. Highlight the title block and then reload. Click OK. And you will notice that it will change according to the title block, which I have actually amended earlier. And now I'm going to open up detail 2. I have a detail 2 drawings that I need to make a reference over this drawing. Let's open up detail 2 drawings. Say for example, I need this detail to be a reference to detail 1. So I also have attached the title block accordingly, and it has also changed accordingly. I go back to detail 1 drawing. I zoom out a bit. I disable the grid so easier to see. I save the file first. Now I go under the same icon, which is Xref DWG. And this time I'm going to click on the attach and attach the detail 2 drawing into this detail 1 drawing. Once you have selected the file, another dialog box will pop up. So we maintain the same settings and click OK. Click anywhere on the screen and then enter, 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 enter. Click cancel. Zoom in all the elements and you notice that this is also an external reference that you need to refer in your detail 1 drawing. You will also notice that the title block from the external reference of detail 2 can be inserted into detail 1 as an external reference as well. So this is particularly useful if you want to do referencing of drawings and also to minimize your confusion in having one drawing or multiple drawings into a single drawing file. So it is best to actually split that drawing into multiple files and split, example like the title block, into one single file so that you can actually X-reference it into every of the drawing. And if you want to change or you are required to change the title block, say for example, you just change the title block and you do not need to go into every drawing to change the title block. Because once you have changed the title block externally, you will reflect all the title blocks that is in that particular drawing. And now if say you have a separate title block for this particular drawing, you can actually bind it, meaning you explode the external reference and bind it into this file alone. So in another way, is if you were to bind already the external reference, whenever or whatever that you change on the title block DWG will not reflect into the current drawing. Now I'm going to show you that example. We go back to the same icon and say now we want to bind the title block. We bind it, click the bind button, bind or insert. Bind meaning it will break down all the particular entities into individual entities. Whereas as for insert, it will insert as a block. If you are not sure of what is block or insert command, you can actually refer to my other video on the block and insert command. So this time we're going to bind this. Once you bind, the file will be missing from your Xreference manager. Once you click OK, you zoom in, it will become your individual entities. So now you also notice that your reference detail tool has also been binded because it contains the same title block. So now if we were to change the title block drawing, say now we're going to add or remove the text. We save the file. You notice we have the detail tool drawings open up in our environment. So it will pop up a message saying that external reference file has changed. You just need to reload the title block because this is not binded. Detail tool drawing is not binded. Once we reload, the text will change accordingly. But if we were to look at detail 1 drawing, the text will not change because you have binded the title block. So once you have binded the title block, it will remain binded in this drawing. You cannot unbind the steps. Bear in mind, all these changes, you do not need to open up all the drawings to do the changes and then reattach or anything. You can just open up the title block and do your drawing or changes. Say now, for example, I close the detail 1 and detail 2 drawings. Without opening any other drawings, you just open up the title block and then you do your amendments. I will copy this text, edit this, enter. I will save the title block drawing. Now I close the title block drawing. I open up detail 2 drawing. Remember, detail 1 has already binded. Detail 2 still attached with the external reference of the title block. Once you open up detail 2, you should see the title block external reference has been updated according to what you have done or changed in the title block drawings. I hope this will help you in some sort of way and it saves a bit of your time and also confusion, as well as to minimize a single large file size. Because you have already saved into multiple files, it will definitely reduce that number of bit size in a single file. In replacement, you have multiple files. Okay, this is what I want to share with you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.